Hi, I'm Claudio and I'm proud to present you our new Balios S. The Balios S is an elegant design 3-in-1 travel system which you can use with the new Cod S, with one of our award-winning infant car seats, or with the seat unit itself. As all our products, also the Balios S is based on the DSF principle: design, safety, quality and function. Coming to the design point of view, what is new on the design? We have a dynamic look with straight lines of all hard parts. We have a melange fabric which gives the product a higher value, and we have visible springs on all 4 wheels. Coming to the functions, the key function of the product. We have the XXL canopy with an additional sun visor in the front. Inside the XXL canopy we have the mesh window which gives a nice air circulation for the child. The recline mechanism can be adjusted into a full lie-flat position. With the leg rest you can use the seat from birth up to 17 kg. Also new is the bigger basket where you can put shopping bags or toys up to 5 kg in. On the bottom side, as I already said, we have the visible springs, which gives a nice suspension even on rough surfaces. Coming now to the highlight of the product, it's the easy folding. What you have to do is bring the backrest to the front, push the handle down, and you have a compact folded, self-standard product. All the best from Kind und Jugend.